So guys, in terms of books, I believe that any chemical process engineer or any professional should have at least three kinds of books in their bookshelf. The first one are the technical ones. As you can see, I have the Perry Chemical Engineering Handbook and some books in Portuguese for pumps, controls, instrumentation, process engineering, industrial, and towers. So the technical books, it will be the source of information to solve problems in a technical way. But in my point of view, technical books is not the only kind of book that you should get access, or you should invest your time and money if you work with chemical process engineering and plant design. One part of our job as chemical process engineers working in plant design is to help, support, and eventually do the management of a project. So in this way here in my bookshelf, I have also some books related to project management. And one characteristic that I have is once I decide to study something, I like to have more than one book from the same subject, because this way I am able to compare the different point of view of different authors. So in this case, I have a lot of technical books, but my suggestion to you is you have also in your bookshelf books related to personal development. Here you can see Tony Robbins' book. It in English is Awakening the Giant Within. I have many others personal development books that's not here, it's with my wife. But the personal development books is the source, or it is what sustains our direction. They give to us directions to where to go. So if I want to be a better chemical process engineer, I want to work with plant design, I want to impact much more people or companies, the personal development books are the source for that. And of course that if you already know your direction, you have the technical knowledge to do that, it's time to show to the world, or to show to the people that you are able to do that. So based on that, I have also some books related to marketing. So you can see here, I am only able to reach you if you are watching this video is because there was any time in my life or in my career that I decide to invest on marketing. And the marketing, it's not something that is evil. It's not something that is to you be what you are not. My point of view, marketing is very useful to show to others people that you are able to do what you are able to do. Without marketing, we don't get more knowledge, because if I don't know if it exists, it's not possible to get in touch or get familiar with. So based on that, I have here marketing books, personal development books, and also for sure technical books.